Okay, so here we have three solutions. So water and the liquid A. So water and A are in the ratio 1:2. Water and liquid B 1:3. Water and liquid C 1:4. The three solutions are mixed in the ratio 4, 3, and 2. So you look at the first solution. 1 and 2 add up to 3. Okay, so we can always take variables and make equations out of it to solve. Okay, but I'm trying to do it in the fastest possible manner. So let's see how we play around with the numbers. So 1 and 2 add up to 3. We need 4. So multiply with 4 here. Okay, so we have basically got 4 and 8. Multiply with 3. Now, since it is 4:3:2, we have to multiply everything with 3. Okay, so this becomes 12, 9, and 6. Okay, so 4 and 8 is what is this 12. That's one part done. Okay, next part. So it's not yet complete because now we have to do the same thing for the remaining remaining two mixtures, 2 and 3. Okay, now here 1 plus 3 adds up to 4. Okay, here however it's 9. It's not a multiple of 4. So multiply 4 again. So 48. Okay, 36, 24. Now since you suddenly made this 48 4 times, so here also you have to do 4 times, right? So that 16 plus 32, 48, that matches. Now since this is 36, we multiply this with, like this was 4 and this was 9, we multiplied 4. So now to match this, we multiply with 9. So this becomes 9 and 27. See, 9 and 27 is 1:3. 9 plus 27 is 36. So that's matching. You have got this. You have done these two. Now you need to do the last one. 1 and 4 adds up to 5. Unfortunately, this is 24. So you have to make it 5 times. So 240, 180, 120. Now, since you multiplied 5 to the first one, you have to multiply 5 here also. 80, 160. 5 here also. So 80 and 160 is 240, right? 5 here also. 45, 135. 45 and 135 make 180. Now, the final one, we're telling that. So we have made it 120. This is 5. So we made it 24 times, right? Because this was 24 and this was 5. So 24 times will be 24 and 96. So 24 plus 96 is 120, and that ratio is 1:4. So 24, 180, and 120, if you actually cancel out 60, you will get 4:3:2. So that ratio has been maintained. Okay, we haven't changed the ratio. So how much do we have water? 80 plus 45 is 125. 125 plus 24. So that will be 149. Okay, 125 plus 24 is 149. A is 160, B is 135, and C is 96. That's the final values that we have in the final mixture. So statement 1, the same amount of water and liquid B, that's wrong. The same amount of liquids B and C, that's wrong. More water than liquid B, yes. More water than liquid A, that's clearly wrong. So the answer is option 3. This is the fastest way you could have actually answered this. Else you would have to take variables and keep on doing every step. So that's going to be longer.